guys, this is it. You can see, guys, that's the laptop MacBook Air. Okay, this is the 2025, and with M4 chip on it. You can see, guys, as you can see, I am just unboxing it. Oh my goodness, it's a good investment, guys. Wow, this is it. My goodness, my goodness, my goodness. Is the laptop, guys? Oh my goodness. So I'm not sad after this purchase. It's one of the best purchases I ever made. Guys, you can see, if I just open like this for you. Oh my gosh. Did you see, guys? So no regret after my investment, guys. As you can see, hello, and the get started in different languages. Guys, you better buy one. This one is 2000. It's a 250 SSD drive, guys, with 16 giga RAM memory and with M4 chip on it. So it's one of the best investment I made for my business, because I know I need a brand new laptop, and I say let's take the 2025 MacBook Air. Guys, this is the other thing that they give me with this. As you can see, that's a little book. I think it's a MacBook Air little book that has instruction, maybe on how to use it or things related. Guys, as you can see, some little book. Okay, so as you can see, so let me show you other things. They give me a cable. This is the cable just to charge it, guys. That's the cable. Okay, as you can see, guys, you see that's the cable that come with the laptop, and there is a charger to plug on power. So guys, this is it. I'm so satisfied with my purchase, guys. So if you want to purchase one, it's the time to purchase, because I think it's one of the best investment for now for me. This MacBook Air, as you can see, guys. So it come brand new. Some friends suggested me to buy like the 2019 one or 2000, some earlier date, and I say why not buying the exact year, because I'm in 2025, and it was a good decision for me, and I have no regret, guys. So as you can see, you can just go buy one. Okay, so if I remove it again, this thing, wow, guys, as you can see, you see, interesting. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to buy one. It's one of the best investment for now you can make with Apple. Thank you.